Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.